Today we're gonna have a quick 4-minute Gua Sha routine to lift the jowls and reduce the smile lines. So keep on watching and follow along with me for this effective routine. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gua Sha routine with me. Before we start, don't forget to moisturize your face with a moisturizer or facial oil. Today's routine gonna be for jowls lift and also smile lines removal. We start on our jowls. The first exercise, as you can see, is jowls lift, and it helps to get rid of fluid under the skin that can make the jowl sag more. Also, it's gonna help to release the tension in the muscles in this area so we can create a lift. I'm gonna do this for 10 times on each side, applying a medium pressure. Today's video is a very quick routine and it only has 4 exercises in it because I wanted it to be a quick and practical yet effective routine. The next exercise is for our smile lines. Also, it's gonna help our upper lip muscles. With this exercise, we're gonna break the wrinkles up and kind of like iron it out. So this is going to stimulate collagen production and really work out on the skin. So personally, I prefer Gua Sha to other face sculpt methods because I get quicker and more effective results when it comes to facelift routines. Next exercise is for lip corners lift, and obviously it's gonna work on our jowls too. For this exercise, you need to move upwards from lip corners to the ears, making a little vibration with your Gua Sha tool. I want you to consider this a workout for your face. Don't forget to hold your Gua Sha in a 30 to 40 degree angle towards your skin. The last exercise is for a complete facelift, and it's gonna work out on our cheeks, lip corners, jowls, and the smile lines. That's why it's a full facelift. It's gonna also help the cheeks to sculpt and get fuller. So here we are hitting the fluid area, so that's gonna give us a lift in general because we're getting rid of the puffiness. We're going to be focusing on our facial muscles for the lift. And it's so important to finish this on the lymph nodes, gliding our Gua Sha down the sides of our neck. This is going to flush the fluid out so that we can get a lift. So this was it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye!